Hello and welcome to Shri Academy online teaching classes. Today in English we are going to learn a poem and the name of the poem is My Baby Brother's Birthday. But before that we have to know the word meanings of hard words. So let's start. As you can see that I have written the hard words and its Hindi English meaning both. So the first word is fabulous, Fabulous, fabulous means shandar and its English meaning is wonderful. Now the next word is frosting, Frosting, frosting means thanda karna and its English meaning is icing on the top of the cake. Now the next word is threw, Threw. Threw means fake diya and English meaning is give or hold. Now the next word is splattered, Splattered, splattered means cheated and its English meaning is fell all over. Now the next word is rug, rug means galicha and its English meaning is mat or carpet. Now the next word is dumped. Dumped. Dumped means फेंक दिया. English meaning is poured या throw away. Now the next word is tore. Tore. Tore means फाड़ दिया or pull to pieces. Now the next word is wrapping. Wrapping. Wrapping means rangeen paper, the softer material used to cover something. Now next word is pounded. Pounded. Pounded means pisna. Hit again and again. Now the next word is loudest. Loudest. Loudest means badi dhwani. That means noisy. Now the next word is fantastic. Fantastic. Fantastic means asamanya. That means extraordinary, good or attractive. Now the next word is simply. Simply. Simply means साफ या सरलता से. That means in a straightforward or planned manner. Now the next word is turning. Turning. Turning means mode, a place where a road branches off another. Okay, now we will read the poem and then we will know the summary of the poem. My baby brother's birthday was a fabulous affair. The birthday cake was in his lap, the frosting in his hair. He threw the ice cream at the walls, it splattered on the rug, and then he dumped his apple juice in Mama's coffee mug. He tore the wrapping paper off of all his brand new toys, then pounded them to see which ones would make the loudest noise. We have never had a party that was such fantastic fun. I guess they are simply better when your brother turning one. It is a poem of the celebration of the birthday party where an elder brother is expressing his feeling how his small brother celebrated his first birthday party. The birthday is a wonderful event for the children. They all have lots of fun and they full of enjoyment. In such wonderful party there was a cake and the cake was in the lap of the baby because small children love cake but they do not know how to eat. So the baby put all the icing which was on the top of the cake on his hair. He fell the ice cream at the wall and on the carpet. He mixed his apple juice in Mama's coffee mug. When baby got the gift, he uncovered all the toys and hit again and see which toy make the loudest sound because the children like those toys which makes sound. It was a wonderful birthday party and the baby also enjoyed very much. He also said that it was a simple event when your brother is turning once. So this is a beautiful poem written by the Ken Nesbitt describing in the fun of the birthday event. Now we will start the exercise regarding this lesson. Now the first one is match the column correctly to show what happened on the baby's birthday. As you can see that I have already matched all the answers. Now the first one is the birthday cake. Where was the birthday cake? was in the baby's lap? So the answer is E. Now the second one is the frosting was in his hair. Means the icing was in the baby's hair. So answer is D. The ice cream, where was the ice cream? The ice cream was on the wall and the rug. So answer is A. The apple juice, where was the apple juice? Was in the mother's coffee mug. So the answer is B. The gift wrapping, what was doing by the baby? Was torn off all the new toys. So the answer is C. Now the next exercise is write true or false for this statement. So the first one is it was the baby's first birthday. It is true. Now the second one is family enjoyed the party. It is also true. The baby ate the birthday cake. It is true or false? It is false. Now the fourth one is baby threw away all the new toys. It is true or false? It is false. Now the next exercise is answer this question. There are two questions. The first question is what did the baby do with the ice cream? And the second question is why did the baby pound the new toy? So the first question, what did the baby do with the ice cream? The answer of this question is the baby threw the ice cream at the walls. Once again I repeat the answer. The baby threw the ice cream at the wall. Now the second question was why did the baby pound the new toys? So the answer is the baby pound the new toys because he want to know which toy makes the loudest noise. Once again, the baby pound the new toys because he wanted to know which toy makes the loudest noise. Okay, students, thank you for today's class. Now, this is your homework. You have to write down all the word meanings, poems, and exercise in your copy, and you have to learn it also.